Here I have Motorola Moto G82, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and then go to the photo. And as you can see here, you can enable or disable selfie photo mirror. So let me take, for example, one photo with this feature enabled. And now let's try another one with it disabled. And as you can see, these both pictures, what? Oh, they are mirrored. Unbelievable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.